Here we have to evaluate logarithm of a plus 1 by a to the base of a power 32. This is the base and this is the number. So this we have to evaluate. Let's say this is equal to x. Okay. Then from the definition of logarithm, which means that this base a power 32 when raised to a number, unknown number x, when this number is raised to x, then that gives you the number, this a plus 1 by a. Okay, now we have to, the question is to evaluate this x value based on this information. Now there is one more information which is given. Now from this information, we can write that a square when raised to 16, a square, the base raised to 16 gives you this number, a square plus 1. Okay. Now, see, basically we have to find the relationship between a plus 1 by a and a power something. Okay. So we have to make a plus 1 by a here. That is a key. So for that purpose, you divide both these equations by a. You divide this entire equation, you divide it by a on both sides, so that here you will get a plus 1 by a. So when you divide it this side, you get a plus 1 by a. When you divide it this side, this is a raised to 32, divided by a, which equals a power 31. Now a plus 1 by a is equals to a power 31. For that we will substitute here. This data will substitute here. Okay. Then we get a plus 1 by a, that is this form, equals to a power 31. Okay. That is a power 32 power x equals a power 31. Okay. Now we have to revisit the question. What we have to find out? We have to find out the value of x from this expression. We have to find the value of x. This value we have to find. So for that, what we have to do here, we have to express this right hand side in this similar way. That is, there should be an a raised to 32 raised to something. So this right hand side has to be made similar to this. Okay. So that is pretty easy to make. What we have to do is, this can be written as a raised to 32, okay, whole raised to, now there should be, we have introduced 32 here, so that 32 has to be cancelled out, so that 32 has to come here. Okay, now this becomes a power 1, but effectively you need a 31 here. So you put, okay, now this becomes a power 32 whole power 31 by 32. When you simplify that, this 32 and 32 get cancelled, you will get a power 31. Okay, now you compare this and this. This is a power 32 raised to x, this is a power 32 raised to 31 by 32. That means these exponents are equal. That is, x equal to 31 by 32. That is the answer. So answer to this question is 31 by 32. This answer is 31 by 32.